I love my eyes. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be quickly showing you my sweat proof makeup routine which I'm currently doing. And Delhi mein currently it's monsoon plus sunny season, which makes it even more difficult to keep up with your makeup game because of so much humidity. So I'm going to be showing you what all I do to keep myself protected from that and make my makeup more sweat proof so that it will be easier for me to exist in this world. Anyway, with that being said, let's just jump right in. Okay, so first I'm going to be clipping my hair with the pin ताकि बाल मुंह पे ना आए, because that's important. Hi, aloha. Then I have this ice cube and उसको मैं एक handkerchief में ऐसे बांधने वाली हूँ, because whenever I rub ice cube on my face it just always slip out of my hand and फिर मैं उसे ढूंढ रही होती हूँ and later पता चलता है कि मम्मा का डांट पड़ रहा है मेरे को क्योंकि गीला हो गया है फ्लोर. सो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टेक्निक कि तुम उसे किसी एक ऐसे पतले कॉटन वाले हैंडकरचीफ में यू कैन जस्ट रैप इट अराउंड एंड अप्लाई इट एंड रब इट ऑल ओवर योर फेस. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग ऑन माई फेस, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग दिस समर एंड monsoon or this mixed season which is happening right now. That sort of soothes my skin a lot and मुझे बाद में स्वेटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा कम आती है. ये एक्चुअली मेरी मॉम ने मुझे ट्रिक बताई है, बचपन से आई एम डूइंग दिस, बट या लाइक दिस ट्रिक इज़ ऑल ओवर द इंटरनेट ऑल्सो. आई मीन सो मैनी पीपल डू इट, सो नथिंग फैंसी, नथिंग न्यू. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू शेयर वट ऑल आई डू. Rubbing ice all over your face also helps in minimizing pores to a great extent. So when you do makeup later on, the application looks very flawless and smooth and it looks so natural. So yeah, I just do it for about 2-3 minutes all over your face and on your eyes too. मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना इस टाइम पे. Oh my god, this feeling is amazing. Also, I'm getting comments like how am I able to shoot with no fan on or anything, and this is the trick which I do before doing any makeup on my face so that I can shoot for many hours. So that's my magic secret. I think मुझे थोड़ा पास आ जाना चाहिए क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा दूर हूँ, and I have adjusted my mirror also, so we're ready. Also guys, can you see my acne is all gone, and it's because of that video which I posted recently on my YouTube channel, and I have shared like what all I am doing right now to take care of this, and it's actually showing results. Like I have not done anything on my face right now. It's just plain bare face, and can you believe it? I mean, and after that you can just leave it to dry for 5-10 minutes so that your skin soak all of it in, and then your base, like pre-base ka bhi pre-base will be ready. Okay guys, so the face thing is done. Now I'm gonna shape a little bit of my brows because I think they need it. So I'm going to be using this face razor. I know I'm going to be getting a lot of comments ki is it safe to use face razor on your face? Are we gonna get harsh hair or are we gonna get bumps? I think it's very normal if you're getting bumps after you use this face razor on your face, because that's very natural. I mean, you're removing something using a razor. Of course there are times you can get small bumps and pimples, but that's okay because that's gonna go away with time. You have to give it some time, you have to be patient with it, and that just goes away. Okay, so I'm not going to be going hard on my eyebrows, just removing small hair जो उसके थोड़े आसपास आते हैं ना, that's it, and I'm all fine with it. Also this razor is amazing you guys. मेरे पास इससे पहले एक शीन वाले रेजर्स थे, वो 3 आए थे एक पैक में, एंड दोज वर सो बैड. इनिशियली दे वर्क फॉर लाइक वंस और ट्वाइस एंड देन दे वर लाइक ऑल फिनिश, लाइक उन्होंने काम करना बंद कर दिया था. दे वर सो बैड. एंड देन आई गॉट दीज वंस रैंडमली फ्रॉम अमेजोन. दे कम इन अ पैक ऑफ 3, या थोड़े से उससे ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, बट दे वर्क अमेजिंगली. मैंने इनको इतनी बार चला लिया है, अभी ये वाले मैंने यूज़ भी नहीं किए. आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग द फर्स्ट वन एंड इट्स स्टिल वर्किंग फाइन. ऑल्सो गाइज, दिस थिंग इज़ लाइक वे टू शार्प. लाइक मतलब दर्द नहीं हो रहा है, इट वोंट हर्ट यू, बट शार्प इन द सेंस यू हैव टू बी वेरी पेशेंट वाइल डूइंग इट. लाइक तुम जल्दबाजी में नहीं कर सकते, पता चले कुछ हो गया है. वी डोंट वांट दैट टू हैपन. सो बहुत ही जेंटली लाइक आस पास वाला हेयर, एंड दैट्स it. Similar thing here. And we're done. I don't know why ये बार बार लूज हो रहा है. मैंने इसको ऑफ कैमरा 6 बार सेट कर लिया बट ये तब भी नहीं लग रहा. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to prime my face using this L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Such a big name. But anyway, this is a bit on a higher range, so I won't suggest you that you have to use this only. You can use any toner which you have that can work as a great primer. You can use gulab jal or anything which you're currently using. I mean, जो तुम्हें already suit कर रहा है ना skin को, just use that. I'm just sharing what I'm using and what is suiting on my skin. That doesn't necessarily mean कि वो तुम्हारी skin पे भी suit करेगा. So whatever you're doing and whatever you're fine with it, just use that. Also this thing is great to use in summers or ऐसे humidity and बहुत ही ऐसे चिप वाले monsoon season में, and that kind of also helps bring a barrier between your skin and the makeup you're going to be doing later on, ताकि जो भी तुम makeup करो वो तुम्हारे pores में ना जाए. So that's the whole story about it. I get so many comments about suggesting you guys a good moisturizer, and I think nothing can beat this basic Cetaphil moisturizer. Can you see कितना बेचारे की हालत ख़राब हो गई है ना. Still मैं ऐसे कुछ करके इसमें से I just use the whole thing, and you can just use it as it is on your face, or you can mix it with a SPF lotion or any SPF cream, or you can just apply any good moisturizer to just prep your skin all well. Also guys, just to put it out there that I'll be linking everything in the description box down below, from makeup brushes to outfits to jewelry to makeup to everything, so don't worry about it. Okay guys, so considering we're doing a sweat proof makeup, I'll try to avoid as much makeup as I can. Now basic skincare routine is a must, so उसमें थोड़ा सा मैंने time दिया है, and I think we all should have. But later on the makeup side, I will not be using any CC cream or BB cream or any foundation, so I'm going to be only using a concealer. And also guys, this is a new concealer. Finally, तुमने मेरी जितनी भी makeup videos देखी है उसमें मैं एक ही concealer को करे जा रही हूँ use, and finally I have switched to a new one. This one is from Sugar, and this is their Magic Wand waterproof concealer in shade, important thing, shade 30 Cocochino. 30 Cocochino. Cocochino is such a nice name. So I was in mall, and anyway mall जाने से पहले I was searching on Amazon so many concealers, and I was way too confused, and मुझे ज़्यादा confusion ये हो रही थी about expiration date. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा issue होता है उसका. So I was in mall and मुझे उनका store दिखाया, and I just checked it out. मैंने उसे test किया, and I absolutely fell in love with it the moment I tested on my hands, and this works amazing you guys. Like इतना कम product लगता है. I'll just show you. Okay, so just मैंने एक बार इस product को लिया है, and I'm just gonna apply dots all over my face, and थोड़ा बहुत जहाँ पे मुझे acne scars है हल्के फुल्के, जो कि अभी चले जाएंगे considering the things which I'm doing पीछे से. Don't worry guys, सारी videos I'm going to be linking in description box. You can also check that out. Can you see कि एक बारी में like कितना product ये मुझे दे रहा है. It's so insane. I just love it so much. And I'm done. Not done, we have to blend it. Wait. Okay, so for blending this thing out, you can either use a beauty blender or a brush, or the best thing, your fingers. But today I'm going to be using a brush. Also with brush, mostly हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि it's a brush, so we can just do this thing. No, never do that, because later on it's a problem. Anyway, so you just have to dab this whole thing out, and not just this thing, like anything you're putting on your face in terms of makeup, just dab it and you will see the flawless result that it gives you. I mean, nothing can beat a good blending technique, and that's just dab, dab and dab. So guys, this thing is done, and I'm not going to be jumping onto the next step immediately. And वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हम mistake कर देते हैं, हम बहुत जल्दी एक के ऊपर एक makeup करते रहते हैं. We have to give it some time to set itself in on our face, so that later sweat हो या फिर कुछ भी हो, it won't remove itself from your face. I mean, that's the whole point of it. So meanwhile, we're gonna be doing our eyebrows, my favorite step ever. And as usual, my oldest eyeshadow palette, Miss Claire one. Okay, so earlier I used to use the darkest brown shade on my eyebrows, but I don't know, I just randomly switched to using a black eyeshadow like this one here, this one, and I just take some of it and just fill my eyebrows like that, like बहुत ही ऐसे gentle random strokes, and that's it. I think ये मेरे face पे बहुत ज़्यादा natural लगता है. I mean, yes, you can use darkest brown shade, no harm in that, but I don't know, with this technique I'm getting a lot of your comments that oh my god, your eyebrows look so fuller these days, like earlier नहीं लगते थे, what are you doing, or what are the hacks which you're doing to grow your eyebrows here. And this is the technique which I'm doing, just the darkest black shade. Okay guys, so the eyebrows are done, and now we're going to be powdering our whole face using a compact powder or any loose powder that you currently have in your makeup kit. Okay, so I'm using Revlon Photo Ready 1, and I'm just gonna powder my whole face बहुत ही आराम से to set everything in. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, but if you're someone जिन्हें sweat की बहुत ही ज़्यादा problem है, so I would suggest to not use it because वो पूरे face पे, you know, it will just melt your whole makeup away. But just to show you how I'm doing my eyeliner these days, okay, so I'm using this basic Lakme liquid eyeliner, nothing fancy. So I'm just going to be doing the wing part and not drawing the whole liner on my eyelid. I don't know, I'm just not into that these days. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw one line like this, oops, and then just connect it with the eyelid, and that's it, and just fill it, that's it. See, it automatically gives you a longer eye shape, and you can see the difference. Eyeliner is done, and now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes using this eyelash curler. ये मैंने सरोजनी से लिया था 30 रुपीज़ में. I miss those days so much. मैं इतने टाइम से सरोजनी नहीं गई हूँ, कोई भी नहीं गया है. Anyway, earlier I used to be so afraid of this thing. Like ये 2 साल पुराना है, and मैंने इसे अभी स्टार्ट करना, like यूज़ करना स्टार्ट किया है, and I don't know why कि मैं इससे क्यों इतना ज़्यादा डरती थी. I just love this step so much. And अगर मैंने अपना मेकअप भी नहीं किया, मैं ऐसे रैंडमली घर पे बैठी हूँ ना, I just curl my eyelashes. I love it so much. Okay guys, so I learned this very cool trick on the internet because we all keep learning new things. Okay, so you have to just hold your eyelash like this for about 10 seconds, and उसके बाद you have to do this, like pulse it up and down 10 times. I don't know कितनी बार हो गया because I was talking, but anyway you get the idea, and just remove it. Can you see it already? Oh my god, love it. And similarly we're going to be doing the same thing here. Just hold this lash for 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and now this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and just remove it. This is so cool, you guys. And हमें wait नहीं करना, quickly put some mascara on it. You can use any waterproof mascara because that's going to be working the best, especially in this season. So yeah, always use a waterproof mascara or liner or kajal around your eye area, and you're done. I love my eyes, not eyes, eyelashes so much right now. Guys, I'm just showing you the basic everyday makeup look. If you want to put some colors on your eyelids, I mean, just go ahead with that. I mean, you can do this makeup for any of your function or any big occasion. You just have to do the whole thing which you normally do when you're going out. I'm just showing you the basic thing, and uske upar you can add your own creativity and create something of your own. Okay, so for my lips, I'm using Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte. इतने बड़े नाम क्यों होते हैं? In shade 8, which is Sensationally Me. So fancy. So this is like liquid matte lipstick, a bit creamy, like ये dry out नहीं करता मेरे lips को. So I'm going to be using बहुत ही हल्का, like मैंने इसको पूरा ऐसे हटा दिया है. I'm going to be using like बहुत ही हल्का सा. I just do this and rub it out with my fingers. मैं बोल नहीं पा रही. Wait. I just love doing it. Why? Because it looks so natural. ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हारा वो natural lip का shade है, तो बिल्कुल भी lipstick type नहीं लगता. And to make things even, I'm going to be using the same lipstick on my cheeks as blush, because you got to save some money, right? So just dot like this and just blend it with your fingers. So guys, we are, just done with the whole makeup thing. It's just that, the basic routine which I showed you. You can do so many things later on with this makeup routine. I mean, you can just take it to some whole different level, and I know that you guys are so creative, unlike me. मुझे बस यही करना आता है, and I'm like, okay, fine. Also, I'm going to be adding a little bit of highlighter because, yeah, duh. Just little bit, not too much, because I don't want कि sun में मैं जब बाहर जाऊँ तो मैं बिल्कुल चमक रही हूँ, ऐसा ना लगे कि oil आया हुआ है मेरे face पे. No, we don't want that. Just a little bit and that's it. So this is how my makeup looks like. Oh my god, I just love it so much. Looks so natural and so fresh, rosy cheeks. I just dig this look so much. This is like my go-to everyday makeup look as well, and I think everyone can do it because ज़्यादा इसमें कुछ है नहीं. It's just like basic steps. And guys, this is not it. I'm also going to be showing you कि ये जो makeup हमने किया है वो कितना long lasting है. Okay, so I have this ice cube again, and I'm going to be rubbing this all over my face. And this is like water cum sweat, for an example. Experiment is happening right over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna rub it all over my face for like 30 seconds or a minute. Wow, it's like a waterfall. This is all done, and I'm just gonna very gently, like tissue paper या फिर bloating paper से, I'm just gonna remove the water from my face. I'm again so fresh, and yeah, just look at it, no makeup at all. See, you're welcome. Okay guys, so that is it. I don't think so I have to prove myself again anymore. I was just kidding. Let me know how was the video. I tried to make it way too simple and achievable for every one of you out there, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. Also, अब मैं ready हो गई हूँ, so मैं फोटो लेके Instagram पे डालूंगी, बनता है. So मुझे वहाँ पे भी जाके follow करो. I'm going to be linking my account details in description box down below. And with this video, we come to the end of it. Like this, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.